Would not enjoy normal.
I think should equal. A killjoy is having negative.
Yep.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Don't shit talk Omen like this.
Bless you.
Thank you. I'm always hungry too. Doing insanely good, Lars.
Still everything from us.
Remaining.
Nice.
Let's go. Do you still play Stinger? I can play. Come out when you drink. Wait, when I'm drink? Sorry. And then I was just I'm gonna play a B this run with.
Watching peek and free.
From behind.
Nice.
But
Now we need lashes. I am, and my boyfriend swears life. So name ideas, Novra.
yeah, let's go.
You know what to do. He does an arrow here.
Oh, for Damner program. Yeah. It does snappers, right? Sounds delicious as well. But I could live off nachos. Ask Miha. Like, let's say when you are strong, like just one that sits for longer, so a high quality one. So for example, I don't have the Reaper.
You don't have the Reaper.
You don't
No,
have that? Oh my
no.
God.
If you equip the blue.
Oh my god, see, I drank the monster too fast. That's, oh my god, this is gonna be beautiful. Leak. I'm gonna finish my makeup on the side. We don't need it anymore today. Sorry. Oops.